Guys, I'm here at the Space Needle. I just got in here, and this is a building I have never been in before. I've always wanted to come up here, but approximation comes in. But today, since I had a few hours to catch the plane, I decided to come and check it out, and it's worth it. This is a very, very good view. I'm gonna try and process this with a GoPro, and I'm gonna put it on fastlane_Italy, because man, this view is you can't buy it. This is it's breathtaking view. Good money. Let me check out. Wow, it's a very strong microscope. Telescope. It's a telescope. I can even read the plates for the vehicle. There in that street, you see that street? I can tell you the plates on that vehicle. Yeah? So this is it. This is Space Needle, the iconic one. I hope this GoPro does justice, because this is a very, very good footage. One thing about this fastlane_Italy is doing for me, it's making me open myself to the world. Even coming up here, I would have probably not come. I would have just seen it from a distance and continue with my mission. But since I want to get footage for my channel, I feel it's worth coming up here. That's a T-Mobile Center there. That's their biggest football field. This is the home of the Hawks, Seattle, the home of the Hawks, Seattle Hawks. This is their hometown. Yeah. So guys, I hope this is bright enough when I process it. Wow. See what GoPro does. I need to drink a beer.
White caps. But yeah, that's Magnolia, really nice neighborhood. It's like West Seattle. West Seattle neighborhood.
Need to check my time. I don't want to be left by the plane. That's the worst feeling. There's nothing worse, but oh my goodness, I don't have time. As long as I leave here by 4, I should be fine.
Now it'd be, still have flights, but during the summer, man, you see planes just coming and going off the lake, float planes. In fact, during the summer, man, it gets really crowded.
Seattle is huge, man.
There's no place to land.
If this thing is gonna do justice.